In order to wrap the trunk, we have to remove this piece right here. I'll be showing you how to do that right now. We're also going to be removing the badge. I'll also show you how to do that right now. When you open your trunk, before removing the interior, you'll see two screws right here. They're T20s. You want to undo those, and then that way you pry open the panel. And then on the inside right here, you're going to find a total of 6 T20s that you have to remove. There's 1, 2, 3, 1 in here, 4, 5, and 6. Once you do that, on the inside you'll see these 2 clips right here that you have to push together in order to get them out. So you want to do one side at a time, and then that way you get this piece out. Now the next step would be to remove the badge.
Easiest way to remove the badge is to get a piece of dental floss or any other string. Basically what you want to do is get a double strand of it, and then you want to heat up each individual letter, and then you want to pry the string behind the emblem and just wiggle around back and forth little by little until the piece comes off all the way through. Just repeat this step for every single letter and you'll be done in no time. After taking off the emblem, this is what I was left with. A little bit of residue. What I did is took out as much as possible, but not too much, because I want to be able to place the emblem back in the same spot after I wrap it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the big pieces of gunk, and we should be good.